Hello everyone. Today we are learning how to use this rose quart face roller. So I have used this one for a couple of times before coming here, and I have some nice reviews about this. So this helps to uh, boost your circulations and boost collagen and help to reduce the puffiness of your eyes, under eye eyes, upper eye. People get the puffiness, and over time skin should appear lifted and more radiant, it says on the box. I'm reading the information about this, and it is used for further relaxation. Press the You can put this one into the refrigerator for before using the these products. So it's saying like that collagen boosting. So start using. So I just clean my face. Before I just wash my face with my face wash, and then I'm going to use the headband on my head, and I'm going to use a little bit oil, whichever oil you can use it, whatever you want to, but olive oil is the best for this. And or you have any face cream, so you can use that one, but do not use the coconut oil, it doesn't absorb. So use little bit oil on your face, because it is really necessary to use anything else, like roll the roller, and it moves, gives the gliding really nicer. So I think you need to use some kind of oil or cream. So day-to-day life, whichever you prefer on your, depend on your skin types. So I'm using this, and now we are going to use the roller right away. So start with your roller size of face, so like this. Do not apply that much pressure, just lightly slide, otherwise your skin will be going to uh, stretch really hardly, and then gives you bad effects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the nose you use the smaller one. So like this. And on the top of your eyes you use like this, outward motion, just lightly. Do not press at all on your eyes, just slightly roll this direction. And this really gives you cool effect. And on the top of your head you do like this. On your neck, because whichever the fluid you have on your body and on your face, you are lifting that fluid to the ears like this. So you somehow you need to reduce release that fluid somewhere else like this. I'm going to do downwards on my neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not do over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the massage, and now what I'm going to do, use the dip your roller into the water for a while, and then you apply on your face. It absorbs more and it opens your pores on your face. and you do like this also. On the lip and nearby the chin, I'm using smaller roller. So this is it, and your video and this massage is done, and I can feel the little smoothness and nice shine on my face. It gives you really faster effect. So do like my video if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching my video.